Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this adorable headband look in a dress to impress. So it's giving princess core meets soft glam. In this DIY tutorial, I'm showing you how to style this cutest headband combo that totally level ups your outfit. So let's create it from scratch. So first you can just put on this headband in here and you can adjust or toggle it to match with your hairstyle. I think I'm going to go with 2, and here I'm going to change the patterns into this ones right here, and you can just combine it with this flower and color it to how you like it. I'm going to go with this color in here and combine it with this accessory and toggle it into 4. And that's it. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.